Hello, I thought I'd share how to adjust a Varajet carburettor. Varajet 2, they're found on Commodores, 6-cylinder Holdens, Chimeras, all sorts of things. There's a couple of things you need to know when adjusting the idle and the mixture. And the first one is the idle is adjusted through an air bleed screw, not a screw on the bottom butterfly shaft. It's actually this one here, and as you turn that in and out, you'll see the revs increase. You can hear them. When these carburetors are functioning properly, that is how you adjust the idle, through that screw there. The mixture screw is the bottom one. That adjusts the richness or lean of the idle. Factory settings on the top idle screw is all the way in and 2 turns out. The mixture screw factory settings is all the way in, 3 turns out. I found 4 is better. Now, there is a screw on the back of the carburettor. Which is down here. That one there is not to set your idle. That one there is to stop the butterfly on the shaft from jamming, so that it doesn't, if your bottom butterfly is jamming, then you'll touch that screw. If it isn't, you'll leave it alone. And this adjustment screw is for the automatic choke. Thank you. Bye.